Hello and welcome to the new video. Today we are going to build a brand new PC with some amazing components that are sure to give you smooth and powerful experience. At the beginning of every build we have a motherboard. This one comes from Gigabyte and it is B550M Aorus Elite. In there we have some SATA cables, some sticker from Aorus and some manuals. Now let's open the motherboard. And for this build we went with AMD Ryzen 5 5600G CPU with integrated graphics. Now let's open the bracket up, open the CPU. You see triangle on the CPU, triangle on the motherboard, and place it slowly, easily, don't rip off any pins from it. Close the bracket. And for the memory we went with a Kingston Fury 2x16 GB 3600 MHz. For the system drive we have choose Gigabyte M.2 500 GB. Just place it like this and screw it in. And to cool down this build we went with liquid cooling from Cooler Master Liquid ML120L. In the box you can find everything you need to assemble this liquid cooling solution and to mount it on your CPU. Also, this liquid cooling is RGB. And for mounting on the AM4 socket you just need these two metal parts and 4 screws. And now the main reason why I decided to record this build. An amazing case from Chiftec. Old school case, nothing fancy like RGB or so, but very beautiful. And for power supply we also went with Chiftec A80 semi-modular power supply, very good, since we only needed 24 pin for the motherboard and 8 pin for the CPU or also the motherboard. And after I put it in the case I have also added one cable for SATA connection, since this build have one hard drive with 1 terabyte. Now, as you can see on the video, we are putting motherboard into the case, properly aligned with screw holders. Now screw it in, screw it in, screw it in, screw it in, 24 pin plugging in. Now the 8 pin And now we are mounting heatsink from liquid cooling. And now, as you used to see in my videos, we are putting Arctic MX4 thermal paste crossed pattern. And in there I have plugged in RGB header and the fan from the heatsink directly on the motherboard, and in here water pump and the RGB base. Also of the camera I have plugged in front panel connectors, added SATA cable for HDD, we have a Seagate HDD 1TB to store data files and some games. Well, that's it for this build. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this powerful and interesting PC build. I have shown you how all the components work to create a smooth and powerful experience. Building a PC can be a fun and rewarding experience, and we hope that this video has inspired you to take the leap and build your own. Remember, it is not just about the components, it is also about the unique design and look of the case. If you have any questions or comments about this build, please leave them down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.